Hello, my name is Kyle Bone. I'm about to freestyle a rap to a hard beat of the Halloween theme song. I don't know how good it's going to be, so just sit back, relax, and enjoy. My name is Kyle Bone. I don't use auto-tune cause I'm gonna own. Now get off the phone and enjoy my beats cause they're better than yours. Yours suck like a leech. I'm the king of this game. I'm gonna bring the pain like Brock Lesnar. F5. You're gonna die because I'm gonna take out my knife. My beats are hard, like Jean-Luc Picard. I'm like Michael Myers. I'm gonna cause a fire. I'm gonna escape this deadly race. Now everybody just pick up the pace like LeBron James. Who's gonna win the game? I'm gonna be rich and famous, just like Triple H, King of Kings, Twist of Fate, Jeff Hardy, Swanton Bomb. Hey, I don't like your mom because she's not cool. She doesn't know a thing. All she knows is a dang-a-lang. Was that obscene? I didn't mean to be mean or rude, but that's how it's gotta be. Crude and lewd. That's how to sell. I'm gonna be making bank like a well. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna be making some fat stacks with this deadly rhyme. And you're gonna listen to it cause you got the time, cause you're sitting on that internet being bored, playing with the net because you got nothing better to do. But listen to me, cause I'm your idol, just like TV's American rap. It's just a freestyle, so no hating, cause I'm not Tiger, Wiz Khalifa. If you don't like it, I'm just gonna beat you with my baseball bat. And no, that's not whack, because I'm just no new attack. Better than Jason Voorhees on Friday the 13th at Camp Crystal Lake, because he's filled with that hate. And no, I'm not gonna make a big mistake, cause this is the best rap ever made. It's gonna make you every single day. You're gonna give me 1,000,000 views. And no, Rob Zombie, you can't sue, because this beat is insane. It will make you go crazy in the membrane. I know sometimes I don't rhyme, and that's not a lie, but when you listen to it, you're gonna die saying, this guy is cool, he's got a nice flow, I don't know where else to go. I just want to listen to K-Bone and the Tones all day. That's what you're gonna say, because I'm going hard, going faster, going far. I'm gonna be on that top of the mountain, king of the ring, water fountain. Peace!